When navigating the open waters, understanding COLREGs, Rule 7, is essential for ensuring maritime safety. This rule emphasizes the importance of assessing the risk of collision. As mariners, we must always be vigilant and proactive in our approach to navigation. First, let's talk about what constitutes a risk of collision. It's not just about spotting another vessel, it's about evaluating the situation comprehensively. This involves systematic observation of your surroundings. Use your eyes, binoculars, and radar to scan the horizon. Look for other ships, buoys, and any potential hazards. Remember, visibility can change rapidly due to weather conditions, so stay alert. Now, let's dive into some techniques for collision avoidance. One effective method is to maintain a proper lookout. This means having someone dedicated to watching for other vessels and obstacles, especially in busy shipping lanes. If you're alone, make sure to frequently check your surroundings. Next, let's discuss the use of compass bearings. Taking bearings of other vessels can help you determine their course and speed. By plotting these bearings on a chart, you can assess whether you're on a collision course. If the bearing is constant, it's a clear sign that you need to take action. Radar is another invaluable tool in collision avoidance. It provides a clear picture of your surroundings, even in low visibility. Regularly check your radar for other vessels and their relative positions. Pay attention to their speed and direction. If you see a target closing in, it's time to make a decision. When it comes to best practices, always have a plan. Know your routes and the traffic patterns in the areas you're navigating. This foresight allows you to anticipate potential encounters with other vessels. If you're in a crowded area, consider reducing your speed to give yourself more time to react. Vigilance is key in navigation. It's easy to become complacent, especially on long voyages. But staying engaged is crucial. Regularly communicate with your crew, share observations, and discuss any concerns. This not only enhances safety, but also fosters a culture of awareness on board. Finally, remember that the responsibility for avoiding collisions lies with you. COLREGs, Rule 7, is not just a guideline, it's a commitment to safety. By being proactive, using the tools at your disposal, and maintaining a vigilant mindset, you can significantly reduce the risk of collision and ensure a safe passage for everyone on the water. Stay sharp, stay safe, and navigate wisely.